I'm going to show you how to use the speed dial keys on a Polycom VVX 311. Speed dial keys allow for you to call your favorite contacts with the touch of a button using the additional line keys on your phone. If enabled by your system administrator, your contact directory will be populated with all the lines on your system. The first line key on your phone is reserved for your line and cannot be used for speed dial. To add a speed dial contact, press the home key. Select the directory icon, and then choose Contact Directory. I'm going to create a new contact by pressing the Add soft key. Then enter a first name and last name. The numbers 2 through 9 also represent letters. Names can be spelled on your phone by pressing a number repeatedly until you see the desired letter. When you are ready to input another field, press the down navigation control. Add the internal extension or external number to the contact field. The contact with the lowest speed dial index will be associated with the line 2 key for single touch dialing. Press the Save Soft key to complete the process. You can see that my speed dial contact has been added to my directory. If you have additional questions, please view our online resources or contact our support team who would be glad to assist you.